How to create a landing page on Shopify step by step. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you guys exactly how you can create a landing page for any Shopify store because having a product page on Shopify is great, but sometimes you want to be able to display all of your products to a particular call to action or promote a specific product, and for that, landing pages are the best option. Now, by default, Shopify is super restricted, so you're not able to create your own landing pages. However, to create a landing page, there's a simple application that can help you in doing so. All you have to do is go into your Shopify dashboard and use Pagefly. So, to download Pagefly, go into your Shopify dashboard and click on Settings on the left. Once you click on Settings, click on Apps and Sales Channels, and then click on Shopify App Store on the top right. Once you open up your Shopify App Store, you're going to search for Pagefly. Now, Pagefly is a application that can be integrated with Shopify and it can help you in building landing pages. It's called Pagefly Landing Page Builder specifically. Plus, it also has a free plan, so you can actually have one published landing page for free. So that is one of the best ways to build a individual landing page, which is usually going to not be more than one. So we're just going to click on install over here. And once you click on install, a new tab will open up from where you're going to complete your installation of Pagefly. Click on install once more. And once you click on install once more, you are going to see the Pagefly page builder added into Shopify. Now, on the left, you're just going to pin it to your navigation for easier access, and then we're going to enable UI optimization. We're going to create a page first. This is going to be a regular page, and we can get started with creating. Now, this is their super easy way to create, but you can just click on Pagefly Page Builder, then click on Pages on the left. Then you have two options. You can either create from a blank page or create from a template. I am going to be creating from a template, and you will have different options. So if you want to create a regular page, home page, product page, collection, blog, or password page, I want to create a regular page. Now, from the top, you will have different types of templates, and you can choose a template that you prefer. Now, you guys can see this is a really nice template with the Prestige template. This is the Stella template. There are a bunch of templates, but you can filter out the type of landing page you want by simply clicking on type, and I will select the type. Then you can also choose the industry. So, in terms of industry, let's say I only want this to be health and beauty, maybe, and or I'll just keep all industries. Then we have collections features of the product of the landing page, but as you guys can see, there are quite a few different options available. Now, we have this Christmas based one, we have this Valentine based one, celebrate this Valentine's Day, and there are some amazing landing pages. There's also this teaser landing page. So I can pick out whichever theme best fits the aesthetic that I want for my Shopify store. Obviously, it's going to be different for each individual person. I really like this Mother's Day one, so we're going to select this one over here and we're going to start with our customization. Now, to begin with our customization, you will see on the top, first off, we're going to change the banner text simply by selecting this and adding our own text. So this is going to be something like our annual summer sale, like this. And then we're just going to, remove some of the lorem ipsum. And to delete the box, simply click on delete. Now, once we have done this, we can see on the right we have a column which is empty, that's fine. Behind that, we have an image. On the right, you're going to see your call to action, your tracking, and your slide one, and then you have slide two. So for slide one and slide two, there are two different images, but I need to customize this image. So what we're going to do is we are going to click on our slide and we are going to delete the slide. If you delete the slide, it's going to delete the entire thing. You only want to select the image within the slide, which you should be able to do from the content section on top. Action attributes, tracking and HTML. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go into the slideshow images, and you will see that in your slideshow, what we're gonna do is we are going to drop a secondary element here. And this can be a third-party element, this could be a page element. This is totally up to your personal preference. Now, for us, we're gonna add a new item, which is slide 3. And in slide 3, what you're going to do is you can easily just duplicate the original slides. So you can choose to insert a button, a column, a call to action, all of that into your third slide as well to make it just cohesive with the rest of your slides in Shopify. Now, one other thing to note is that if you want to replace any element or remove any element, you can always click on the delete item to remove any of the pre-existing elements. Now, you can also choose to hide certain elements on mobile devices, as well as choose the color of your content. So if you see you have your background code over here, the color is selected over here, which we can customize as well, like this. You also have your settings and the background image, which I am going to customize because I want my own brand images. So we're going to add our own brand image in our general styling for slide 1. Going to styling, we're going to click on clear, and this will insert my own brand image. I think I'm going to keep the second one because it's just very generic. Now below that, I can go into our second section and add more info. And in our buttons, I can select the button and then go into our button. And on the right panel, you're going to see your general button info. And for that, I wanted to use the add to cart element. Now, what I'm going to do is in the shop collection button, we are going to open a pop-up, and the pop-up is going to be store content, and I wanted to open up my pages or my product, and I wanted to directly open up this party dress. So whenever someone clicks on this shop collection or shop button or shop now button, they are going to be led to the party dress. Now you can customize each individual element of the pages. Plus, you can see your page outline. You can add elements as you go. You can add Shopify elements like your Shopify product list. So I'll directly add my product list like this. I can just add that element over here. And I don't think it looks really good over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the element from here instead. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on over here and click on add element, add a 1:1 column over here or section, then go into Shopify elements and display my Shopify products like this. Now, after that, I can have more promotional banners, content, and further collections can be listed in accordance with a template. Once completed, you can go on ahead and click on save on the top right and title this as your summer sale landing page. Then click on save. And landing pages usually aren't mentioned in your store navigation. So if you just click on preview on this is just going to be a separate page separated from your website. However, we're just going to enable all autosave. And once our page is ready, we can start publishing it. So once it has been saved, we are going to click on save and publish. And now this is our page URL and the page title. Click on publish and click on publish. Now our free slot for our published landing page has been occupied, and this is our Shopify landing page. And if you want to take your landing page into your Shopify menu, simply go into online store, go into navigation, and then once you go into navigation, go into main menu, click on add menu item, and then go into pages, and then go into your summer landing page. You can also include it in Shopify's navigation menu. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.